say hello to little Hiccup. She has kennel cough, and right now she is pretty fearful, but she is with me until the 31st of this month. She's a cute little thing. She is a dalmation and a boxer mix. Very adorable. I was going to get another dog, but I seen little Diesel shaking in her cage, and I knew that she needed to get out of the shelter for a few. So this is the little puppy you all will be seeing for the next week. Don't forget to spay and neuter, and little Hiccup will be definitely having a name change, because I'm not going to be calling her Hiccup the whole entire time I'm having her. I'm not quite sure what we will be naming her, but it will be something different. So anyways, say hello to little Hiccup. We're going to leave her alone and let her rest and just get used to being here. Very cute. I normally get black dogs, but for some reason I ended up with this little white one. But she's very adorable. I hope everybody has a great day, and please check out your local Humane Society, or if you're in South Carolina, please check out the Greenville Humane Society on 305 Airport Road and adopt or foster or volunteer. Very cute.